Fresh from the fire, the victory won. I lay behind as the battle was done. Grace had restored what sin tore apart. Yahweh had spoken and steadied our hearts. Word in the center, law written in stone. Not by our strength, but His word alone. We walked in the light of what He had said. But the next step forward, we went on ahead. Oh, bread, worn shoes, a well-played lie. Peace in their voices, dust in their eyes. Everything looked right, we thought we were wise, but we never once lifted our eyes. All I ask is that you ask. Don't move ahead so fast. Not by sight, not by your plan, but by every word from my hand. All I ask before you act. Don't forget what you just had. Grace restored you, don't run past. All I ask is that you ask. We tasted the mercy, we knew we were led. He gave us the city just like He said. Not what we earned, not what we deserve, but gift upon gift from a promise preserved. But victory whispers, you got this now. And slowly we stop asking how. We lean on what worked, we trust what we see, and forget how we got victory. No prayer was spoken, no counsel sought. We signed the peace that we never should have bought. What seemed so small would bind us fast, all because we didn't ask. All I ask is that you ask. Don't move ahead so fast. Not by sight, not by your plan, but by every word from my hand. All I ask before you act. Don't forget what you just had. Grace restored you, don't run past. All I ask is that you ask. Grace restored, but grace must guide. The word goes before you, not your stride. Yesterday's victory cannot sustain a heart that forgets to seek His name. Not deception's strength, not cunning disguise. The danger was trust in our own eyes. All I ask is that you ask. When the moment comes at last, not by instinct, not by sight, but by Yahweh's living voice.